Alright, so right now it's like a really terrible day. It's been raining all day. It's been raining for the past like 5 days, I feel like. So anyways, it just cleared up a little bit. But I want to go ride a little bit, get her all warmed up, and we'll hook the GoPro on, get some mobbing on the GoPro. I don't have anybody to film, so I'm just going to cruise around with the GoPro, hit up some spots, hit up some different places you guys haven't seen, and just kind of cruise around, see what I can find. So that is the plan today. I make up my mind like today in the next couple of hours to decide tomorrow if I want to do the hair scramble on the Alta, since I'm like have ridden this way more than my 250 recently. I'll be a little bit more comfortable on it, or just to bring both bikes, or I'm just like kind of concerned that it might not last the 2-hour race. But if Anthony comes, the plan is maybe bring both bikes. If I do 1 or 2 laps and then I see the battery level, it's not going to last on the whatever 5-6 laps that you do, he'll run back to the truck, grab the 250, bring that down. As I come around the next lap, we'll be waiting, and then I'll hop on that thing and finish the race. So that's the plan right now. We'll see what I actually end up doing. Bought these new like winter fall 100% gloves coming in clutch today. Hopefully should keep my hands a little bit warmer than some normal ones. All right, get this thing going. Get riding. Should be good. I tried for like 10 minutes. I finally got it to work of trying to get one headphone in to listen to music. Oh, I guess I can't ride here. Flying. They're not big, but they're just fun little jibs. Whoa, almost ate it. Kind of fun. Dirt hill right here, but I don't want to go on that guy's property. Rocket jump right here or something. Damn, it's a lot colder than I thought it was, that's for sure. Woods down there. Cruising around. It's only like maybe 40 degrees, if that right now. Hopefully, I think tomorrow it's be like 50 for the hair scramble. The problem is cruising around. I gotta find spots that like I'm not gonna ride on somebody's personal like private property and tear up their grass. That looks pretty cool in there. Little enduro stuff. Nice house. All the leaves falling. Ran out of power. This is only in map 1. Okay. Pull over here and try to think where I want to go. The best spots, because cruising on the road is not fun. All right, now we're at this little sand pit. Oh, it's flooded. Yeah, so much for this. Didn't think this would be wet. Yeah, it's too. I'm also curious to see how this thing does in colder weather, if it really affects the battery life on the runtime. But I honestly don't like. I want to use it in the snow and make some videos on it in the snow. I think that would be sick. I haven't really seen too many videos of guys using them in the snow. It would kind of give a better real life experience for me if somebody wanted to buy one and wanted to use it year round. But one, I don't know how I'm going to clean it, and two, having it sit in the garage in such cold temperatures, if that's going to affect the battery or whatnot. So I might bring it in my basement for the winter. We'll see. Plus I want to do a build on it, so I don't know. We will see what I end up doing. Map 2 is much for the woods. It's going to slip out. Get some woods training for tomorrow. I don't know if I want to do it on this. so slippery with all these leaves. Let me know, I'll post a comment if you want to see more like raw GoPro videos, me messing around on this thing, or anything in general. But this is just kind of a first test video. I know some of you like GoPro, some of you don't, but you can't make everybody happy. Hope you guys can't hear my music going through the GoPro, but I eventually want to get a mic in my helmet, make the audio better than just the GoPro audio for me talking, but working with what we got. But the GoPro audio isn't terrible, to be quite honest. Let's go explore the woods. It's like all this concrete. Whoa! Doesn't look like this really goes anywhere. I know some of you were asking how heavy is it. It's about the same weight as a 450, I believe, but I'm just a little girl. I'm used to 125. 250 is not too heavy either, really. It's kind of probably hard for you guys watching to really judge speed by this thing, because the GoPro sucks at it in general. Hopefully some of you, at least one person's enjoying this video. Oh. Hit this little concrete little thing. How's it going? Good. Hey. Not the best day for a walk.
Nope.
No. Hey. They're good.
You out doing some rough riding?
Yeah, some e-bike riding. Yeah.
And you got the camera.
Yep, got it rolling.
I'm sure you can document it.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, you be safe.
Take it easy.
Come on, Tom. Come on.
It's gonna be slick in here. Whoa. All these leaves. It's funny because I don't think that guy really understood that thing is electric. Most people have no idea. It boggles their mind, which makes total sense if they're not really on social media or know about motors like dirt bikes and stuff. But because I just talked to this other guy too. He like yelled out his window. He's like, "Yo, what is that? Come over here." To check the thing out. Sound is pretty deceiving too, as far as how fast, as far as on the GoPro. Whoa. Get used to that I notice on this is when it's a little wet, and say you let off the throttle and you're not on the brakes, the back wheel kind of has a little drag to it, so it kind of slips on the ground before you get back on the throttle or before you get on the brakes. So if that makes any sense, you gotta kind of take that into consideration if you're not on the brakes or if you're not on the throttle. But it only happens for like a split second, half second. I don't know where I'm going. A little reference on the battery, if you can see it on the screen right here on the GoPro. So I've probably been out riding, I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour, 25%, 20%, give or take. So it's not too bad. Honestly, I'm pretty much almost done riding. I probably haven't gotten too much GoPro footage, but I'm pretty satisfied with how much I've ridden already, to be completely honest. Big drop off creek right there. Good thing I didn't try and go down there. Oh yeah. Bad day. These gloves, honestly, doing a pretty good job. So there's some more stuff to ride. The wood for this big concrete ledge, and then go. I built another tiny kicker and jump like up over onto the bridge. Well, that was pretty fun ride. The e-power washer, I'll get this thing all cleaned up. Weren't staying in my ears. I'm sure there's some helmet thing I could get. Helmet, speaker. Thing's a little dirty though. Not too bad. The tire's actually been holding up for how much road riding I've done, to be quite honest. These, I think they're Pirelli Scorpion something. I don't know. I don't really know. I only have gotten Dunlops. So, but they seem to be holding up. That's for sure. With the riding I've been doing, next set of tires, once these wear out, will probably be some harder compound stuff that's kind of good all around. I don't really know the perfect placement for this thing yet on the stand, but overall it was pretty fun. Since my pit bike still isn't here, Ryan still got it. I don't think it got welded yet. All right, I got this thing all washed up, ready to go. Pack up the e-wash. So if you guys haven't gotten your entries in to win the pit bike, every $5 spent equals 1 entry to win this on my website. If you order stickers, I just added a new option where I can make a custom front number plate sticker for your front plate. If you want something custom that's not on the website, send me an email. All the information is down below in the description, along with the link to my website if you haven't entered to win this thing yet. There's only a couple days left. It ends November 15th, and then a couple days later, once I figure everything out, I'll be announcing the winner. Gotta clean all this stuff up too. It's a mess over here. What's new? Oh, also, if you guys haven't checked out the clapped key tags, check them out for your keychains. Still linked below. These things are super sick, really good quality. Perfect for your Ford keychain, Chevy keychain. What you got? Bicycle keychain, Alta keychain. You know the deal. I also got to figure out where I'm putting this Alta charger, because I always keep having to set it on there, put it there to plug it in. I want to build like just a simple shelf, kind of higher, because it's never really going to move unless I bring the Alta somewhere I need to charge it. So maybe like a shelf up high and then just leave it there plugged in so it's out of the way, because right now it's just I have to keep moving it back and forth. E-bike problems, e-bike problems.